Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow key, then select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap next, then select your region, could be Austria for me, tap continue, then select that you agree with user agreement and privacy policy and security protection, tap next. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just tap next and do this later. Then you have Wi-Fi, you can connect to it right now, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step and do this later. Then I suggest you to disable these Google services and tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, you can set up fingerprint, face unlock or password, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can select navigation type. It could be buttons or it could be gestures. I suggest you to use gestures. If you don't know how to use them, you have the tutorial here. Then tap next. Then you can enable these recommended features. You can enable them, you can disable them as you want. Tap done and device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.